Hey there, Patricia from All Bodies Fitness here. I want to show you a great exercise that you can do in your home or anywhere called the lawnmower, right? Works your upper body and your lower body a little bit. What you do is hold the weight. You can hold an object if you don't have a dumbbell, right? You extend one leg forward, reach down, and then come up and row. Right? So it's a reach and a row. People call it a lawnmower because it's like you're grabbing that cord and pulling it, right? That way you're working your back, your abs, a lot of body muscles, okay? So, do 10 on each side, or whatever you feel you can do, right? Obviously it depends on your weight, that kind of thing. But control the movement, nice, slow and controlled. Feel your body working, feel the muscles. Keep watching, have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.